Hello guys, so here's a quick update about the Humanity Protocol Testnet farming. And you can see the interface is now changed, and so meaning that we've upgraded and we are no longer farming the season 1. I think this is the season 2. And also there is this update about Quantum Wallet. For those that are farming Quantum Wallet, they just upgraded their app. And you have to update the app for you to be able to see your accounts, for you to be able to see your balance. So to update your Quantum Wallet app, I'm just trying to chip in the updates here, so take notes. This video is about updates about Humanity Protocol and Quantum Wallet app updates. So for Android users on Quantum Wallet, they said please open the Quantum Wallet app and click download updates. But for myself, when I wanted to update the app, I just opened the app, the Quantum Wallet app, listen to my explanation. I opened my Quantum Wallet app, then I click on the mean the mean icon. The moment I click on the mean icon, the update pop up within few seconds. I click on the mean icon and I open the app like I opened it. I didn't minimize or close it. So within few seconds, it brings updates now, maintenance concluded, updates now. I just click on that updates now for myself, because I've posted this update on Telegram. I've been seeing different questions, but for my hand, this is what I did. Open your Quantum Wallet app, click on the mean icon. Few seconds, the updates will pop up. You see updates now. Click on that updates now. Let it open in your Chrome browser. Let it open in your Chrome browser. You see download, APK app download. That's for Android users. The APK app download is from Android users. Download and install. Most of you should have been aware of all of this initially, because when you are trying to update or install an APK app, you need to enable your phone settings to be able to install APK. Meaning that if you are not installing from Play Store, you have to enable install app from unknown source on your settings, on your phone settings, to be able to install the app after you must have downloaded it. I hope that is clear. So for iOS users, it's the same process. Update app, and you click on the update now. Then you first of all need to, then the system will jump to the Quantum Wallet official website. You choose the appropriate installation method according to the prompts. It's as simple as that. The moment you click on update now, it will open the page on your device browser. Then you click on download app. Download the app according to your phone, the device you are using. Then install, and in few seconds or in few minutes, after you must have installed, close the app and leave it for a few minutes. That's what I did for my hand, and I was able to see my balance and everything again. That's the information for the Quantum Wallet. I hope this helps. So there is no link rather than go to your app and go and update from the app. There is no link before you ask for a link. No link. Just go to your app and click on updates. Go to updates now, and you'll be able to update. So that's the information about the Quantum Wallet update, your app update. Now for this Humanity Protocol, this you have to, if you're just signing up, you can sign up now. And once you are signing up, make sure you link all your device. This is the interface you'll be seeing. Make sure you link all your device. You link your accounts rather. You say link accounts, and it will open to your social media accounts to link. So what we are farming on this Humanity Protocol now is the season 2. The season 1 has just been concluded, and they've been about a lot of upgrade and forthcoming upgrade. I don't think I want to start logging in now. Let me just go back. So here you link your Google, you link Telegram, you link your X, you link Discord, you link YouTube, you link LinkedIn. These are the 6 social media accounts you have to link for you to earn this Quantum for you to get started on Quantum. And here you click on claim. You see next, until next claim. Here is it. So because I'm currently claiming, you are seeing claim. You are not saying, you are saying calm down rather. So if you click on claim, you will start claiming every 24 hours. And also there is this information about palm scanning. Palm scanning. I think that is one of their verification procedure. You should get ready for the palm scanning. You know, in the initial farming that we the previous season 1 that we found, you are seeing where it's saying you have to scan your palm to be for verification. So when that features comes out, you'll be able to do that using your mobile device. You scan your palm through your mobile device. As at the time of making this video, this is the latest update and there is no information about the palm scanning at the moment. So you should await subsequent updates on the palm scanning and the testnet. So they said upgraded testnet is coming. Verified human IDs. HP is the new RWT. Your reward are now called HP, which is the humanity points. This HP is what you earn now and it's called the humanity points. So what you claim now is called the HP. So the HP is the new RWT. Remember, in season 1, we were mining RWT. And the season 1, you are seeing it has now been converted to HP. It's still the same thing as the RWT. It's just that they changed the name. It still means humanity points. So the HP is what you'll be seeing now in your platform. I think this is easier because this platform is now looking easy to use. The season 1 platform is very difficult to sign in. You click it to not sign in and all of that. But here now is simple. Just sign up using your wallet. Connect your wallet. Then log in here and connect your device, your account. Once you connect your account, then come here to claim every 12 hours. As simple as that. Then await subsequent updates where you will be able to do your palm scanning and upgraded testnet. Like you'll be able to farm testnet. You collect faucets. From here you can collect the faucets, but they are not giving. I've requested faucets many times, even on this season 2. Maybe they've not started giving the faucets. Maybe they want us to wait for the season for the testnet. I hope before the commencement of the testnet we should be able to receive faucets. So let me just click and try the faucets. It's not showing my wallet that I've received faucets. I don't know why. Let's try the faucet because we need this faucet to farm the testnet. Hope you understand. So let me claim the faucets now. Sorry, to be fair, we only give 0.2 every 72 hours. I claimed yesterday. Try again after 72 hours. I don't know. So that's what the faucet is still currently showing. Hopefully before the testnet commences, we will be able to receive faucets. Because for now, there's no means to start farming the testnet. Because there's no faucet. Let me click on this bridge and see if there's any update. So basically, the testnet is yet to commence, and the palm scanning is yet to commence as well. Safety, never share your seed face, okay? So this is the testnet mode, as you can see. The bridge is just saying showing agreed and okay. Let me connect my wallet and see. I'm just trying to show you what the update is. If the bridge should work, then that means we can start doing 1 or 2 things on this humanity protocol testnet. Because from day 1, so this is what the bridging page is showing. And this STND, I don't know. I don't have any token here. So meaning that there is nothing to bridge. So it still remains that you have to wait for full updates on their testnet. Because Faucet is not yet received and this STND is not available. So meaning that we can't proceed with anything on the testnet for now. So await subsequent updates on this Humanity protocol, and proceed to update your app on the Quantum wallet to continue using the app. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.